4-point charges are placed at the four corners of a square frame. Z-axis is perpendicular to the square frame. If a negative point charge is placed at a distance of z away from the frame along z-axis or on z-axis, then will the negative charge move away from the frame? Will the negative charge oscillate along z-axis? It passes through the frame only once. It is attracted towards the frame and stays there. You know, even though he is talking about a square and having, charges Q at all these vertices, now we can consider circumscribed, though the circle is not very perfect, but pardon me for that. I just wanted to tell you that z-axis is some kind of an axis coming out of the center of this circle, and the vertices are circumscribed. Okay, so we can use the electric field and equation. The force is equal to EQ. You know that. That is a force which will be experienced at the axis. So we can just consider a wheel, the square just like a wheel, and find out that what exactly we can use this. The electric field on z-axis would be 4kqz upon L square by 2 plus z square 3 by 2, where L is the length of the square and z is the distance on the x-axis, on the z-axis. Okay, so under root 3 by 2 4kqz. So the electric field on z-axis we found out, and here forces from all the charges on this negative point charge is same. 4f cos theta moves it up, and then due to inertia it comes down and then goes up again. This is what I feel. The restoring force F is equal to minus EQ. Okay, and we know that. So F is directly proportional to minus Z, and which is nothing but an SHM. So answer is D here. Answer is B, sorry. And the negative charge oscillates along Z-axis. Okay, it's not D, it's B. So can I correct it? Its negative charge oscillates along Z-axis. So that's what I've found, that the electric field along Z-axis would be 4kqz, where k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and q is a charge which is placed at the four corners, and z is a distance from that, and we can find out. It's very simple, and this came in AIIMS 2005, and it is a good question, I would say, because